Yeah.
Okay.
Flushline.
Working today.
Yes. Ooh.
This one's nice.
I bet this was what the main ones used to look like too.
Yeah.
I wonder if they had Flushline as well. Oh, it is in Montgomery. Nice.
Oh, gee. There's no indicator. Just hit P. Just do a cruise.
Wow.
That is a cool.
I'm gonna hit that water fountain when we're done.
Do you want to write it?
We'll ride it down and then back up.
Okay. Gotta get a picture of these.
This is neat.
Yeah. I like how I went to look at that like it's an indicator, but it's not.
Yeah.
There is no indicator on this. This got to be a holeless hydraulic, eh?
I bet.
No, I don't see how you'd have a whole building
There's your phone.
9 stories up. No, this is super cool, this elevator.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
The phone thing is wonky. There we go. Anyway. Woo, that's all I think, but that's it.